Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can pause or cancel your Shopify subscription. So the first thing that you want to do is to decide, of course, do you want to cancel or do you want to pause? There are two different options. First of all, you can see that if your store currently is on active plan, with the first invoice that you have paid, you have an option to pause your store and continue working on it at the reduced rate. This is very important. You're not gonna pay the full rate that is your plan currently. Okay, for example, you build up a store, you spend money, you add different apps, but then the product is not working. You need some time to do some more research, probably to change the product or to change your marketing strategy, your ads. You can put the store on hold, put the store on pause, and pay the reduced fee. How are you gonna go about it? Well, first thing, you wanna log into your store and then you wanna go to Shopify admin. Then you wanna click on settings and then you wanna click on plan. When you went to your plan, you wanna look at the details and the options, because there are options such as switch, to pause, and build. This is where you're going to find this reduction of the fee and putting your plan to pause. This is very different because, like I mentioned, there is a difference between pausing and canceling your subscription. Then, if you actually decide to close your store, you can deactivate and cancel your subscription as follows. There's 6 different steps to do so. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to your Shopify admin again, go to your settings and go to the plan. So far so good. Then you want to click on the deactivate store option, and then if applicable, review the options, switch to pause or build plan like we mentioned. If you want to deactivate or cancel the plan, you want to click deactivate store. Then you have to select the reason for it, click continue, enter your password as usual to confirm that that's you and you're the one deleting or canceling the plan, and proceed with it. Very important, Shopify will store your data for 2 years after closing your store. If you want to try Shopify, guys, there is an affiliate link down in the comments, so you can go ahead and give a shot and probably try your e-commerce brand or try your dropshipping luck. For more videos like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.